Gotta enjoy room service while you can.
I take lots of risks for you guys, so you better like this video. So this place is called Casaroro Falls. It's about 40 minutes drive from Dumaguete and definitely worth it. It's considered a little bit of a trek to get here because there's like 300 some stairs down a very steep mountainside, and then you definitely got to climb over some rocks and wade through a little bit of water to get here. So I think it's worth it though. It's a little less crowded. This is like a weekend crowd here, so it's a little less crowded than I guess Kawasan Falls probably is. And really beautiful, it's peaceful, and definitely it's nice to get out of the city for a little bit. So guys, as I was standing taking some photos for the thumbnail for this video, this happened. Basically a boulder fell from the waterfall and landed just a few feet from where I was taking a photo. So, you know, there's always danger when you go to a waterfall like this. Rocks do fall through the water. It's not really advisable to stand under the water. And, you know, you just gotta understand there's a risk with it.
This is a DHC-6 Twin Otter, which is a pretty small aircraft. We're flying from Dumaguete City to Cebu City. I'm back in Cebu City and back at the Red Planet Hotel. I couldn't resist staying at this hotel because I know it's awesome and cheap and right next to the shopping center. So anyhow, it's been a long day, good day, long day, and I'm gonna go get something to eat, get this vlog edited and uploaded, and get some sleep because tomorrow is another travel day. So I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.